What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Stripe checkout page. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Stripe. After typing, you will be redirected to this page of Stripe wherein if you are new to Stripe, you will see the option of sign up here at the top. Click on that and then enter your email, password and other credentials to create your new Stripe account. But if you already have a Stripe account, you will see the option of sign in or dashboard. Click on this and then you will be automatically redirected to the dashboard of Stripe. Now, after entering on the dashboard on the left side, the product section, you can see the payments option. Click on this and a drop down menu will appear. And from there, click on payment links. After clicking on payment links, on the right side, you can see the option of new in the blue color. Click on that. And then from here, you need to find and add a product, and after adding the product, you can just check this checkbox if you want to let the customers choose and adjust the quantity. And you can add another product by just clicking on add another product from here. And then you can add recommended products by clicking on add recommended products. And from here in the options section, you can choose to collect text automatically or collect customer's address or require customers to provide a phone number. You can check these checkboxes according to your requirements. And when you click on the advanced option, you can add custom fields, you can allow promotion codes, you can allow businesses customers to provide tax IDs, and you can save payment details for future use. And you can even customize your button to pay, book, or donate. You can choose which one would display here on the bottom. And when you are done, click on the after payment section. And from here, you can show the confirmation page if you want, and you can do the settings according to your requirements. And when you are done, on the right side, you can see the option of create link. Click on this, and then Stripe will create a custom link for your product. And make sure that you paste the link that suits and make your customers easy to view and buy your. And as you can see, this is the custom link. I'll just simply click on this icon, and then as you can see, the link has been copied. Now you can paste the link wherever you'd like, and wherever your fans following are watching you and your products, you can paste that link there. And this is how you can create a Stripe checkout page. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.